tomorrow 3-day continuously I can take classes 8 to 9. So any issue from anyone?
No, sir.
Okay, Bhagyasri, any issue from your side?
No, sir.
Ali, have you any issue?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. So I have planning today, okay, day after tomorrow, and tomorrow also 3 day. We have been completed the leave management. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday also holiday, Monday also. From the next week, okay, next week I can give you the assignment. And maybe I can give you assignment on the day of Friday. So Friday is a holiday. So I classes on Thursday. So Thursday I can give you some assignment. Okay. So within 5 days, maybe Friday, holiday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, 4 days. Within a 4 days, you can take your assignment and complete it. Suppose I am giving one assignment that is for the TCS company. Okay. So TCS company Ravi should completed. K Ravi should be completed the personal management part. Sesu should be completed the organization management. Okay, time management completed by the Alisek and Bhagyasri. Okay. So this is one type of scenario. So you just completed, or otherwise I can give you the separate for everyone. What do you want, guys? Can you give me separate assignment for each company for the each of you, or only one?
Sir, separate assignment is okay, sir.
Yeah. So I can give the separate company for the separate candidates. Suppose I am giving the review for the TCS, Sesu giving for the Infosys, Alisek for the any company, and Bhagyasri for the any company. Is it fine for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
whatever,
sir.
so whatever I am giving now, that is only for the hiring process. So you have been completed the two modules only, personal management and 50% part of the organization. Otherwise, 100% is okay. Organization management. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So today we have started the leave management. I just share my screen. So can you see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So there are two type of import type we have in configuration. First one 2006, that is casual leave. Okay, that is absence quota configuration. Then we have started 2001. So have you understand the concept why I am taking 2006? Because 2006 is using for the absence leave quota or casual leave quota. So this is my step. I have to take this step. So why we take 2006? Because we first configuration the absence quota. See, this is our configuration absence quota. Then we are going for the 2001. So have you understand the concept why I am taking 2006 absence quota? Why I am taking absence? Understand,
Yes.
guys? Okay. So
Yes.
let's start at the 2006 configuration. Okay. So first step is SPRO. Then going for the SAP reference IMG. So we are started with this module time management. So we are going for the time management. Okay. Then time, data, and recording. See, there is a step I given. Okay. Time, data, and recordings. Manage time accounting, attendance, absence quota. This one. Okay. So now we have started setting grouping for time quota. This one. So setting employee grouping for time quota. So who can tell me our employee grouping is? What is our employee grouping? Employee group. So that is our employee group X and
DP.
no X and Q. Okay, X and Q. So we already mentioned in the previous classes that is X and Q are the two. That is for the which type of employee, permanent or salary employee. Again, we have done the group personal sub area time quota. What is your personal area code? That is DABB, Dabur Bangalore personal area. Okay, that is DA2. We can take as, this is for India, so we can take as which code for India?
40.
40.
40.
Yeah, we can take as 40. Suppose this is a country we are configuring for the Germany, so we can take a 01. For the USA, we can take as 10. Am I fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So we can take as 40. For which country? India. So we can change our request. Okay. I think what is our Dabur new hiring? Dabur new hiring. So this is our project name. We just okay. Just a minute. One call is from the office. Just 1 minute. Hello. Oh, grass is growing. Hello. Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So still any concern from anyone? Still any doubt you have been facing?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are creating the time quota or absence quota type. Okay. So define absence quota. So our employee grouping should be 1 or 2 for the permanent or salary employee. Who can tell me?
02, sir.
Perfect. Two. Two means salary employee. And personal sub area grouping for which country? Or and what is the code?
40.
40 for India.
40.
So absence quota type you can take any code. So I can take any number. So I can also mention define absence quota. Define absence quota type. So you can take any number. Okay. Suppose I am taking, let's see. Let's see what we can take. Because whenever you're taking anything now, we see which part is missing. So time quota, define absence quota type. So going for the new entries. So who can tell me? Employee grouping 1 or 2?
2, sir.
Perfect. And country grouping, which country we have going for the configuration personal sub area grouping?
40.
India. Yeah, India. Very good. So we can see which code is we can take. So I am taking any code. I am taking suppose 54. Okay. So 54 is your casual. Just a minute. Casual is for which employee? Dava. So date should be standard 01, 1 and 00. So what is my time unit? Time unit always take as a day. Okay. So I am taking as a days. So what is my time constant? So time constant always taking as 2, that is standard. So time constant class should be taking as standard, that is 0. So only this configuration you have to do. So till now any doubt you have been facing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So we also maintain 54 our code, that is the just copy it. Why we are going for the writing? There is option for the copy. How you just going to copy? Control C and just V. Just a minute. Okay. So till now, any doubt for the absence quota type? Everyone clear now?
No.
I am
Yeah, clear.
very good. So now going for the next step. Okay. What is your next step? So next step is defined as calculating the absence entitlement. Okay, that is a permanent generation quota in time evaluation. So what do you mean by in time evaluation? See, suppose you join a company, okay, and there is n number of quota given, okay, but there is some term and condition. Suppose I am giving you the like casual leave that is yearly basis. That is how many? 24. So who can tell me monthly how many days? If my yearly is 24 casual leave, so monthly how many days?
2 days.
Perfect. So that 2 days having also some term and condition. So I can monthly given you only 2 days schedule leave. If you are taken, that is enough. If you have not taken, that is overlaps. Okay. So that is a scenario. Every month you getting to schedule leave. If you are taking in a month 2 days, that is fine. Otherwise, that is overlaps. So can you tell me why the company giving this type of policy? See, this is the policy is known as no generation policy. No generation policy means it's a fixed holiday. Whatever giving that is monthly, if you taken that is fine. If you have not taken that is overlaps. So that is not generation. No generation means that is no adding monthly wise. Suppose I am taking this month 2 days now, June. In the next month, July also, if I have not taken, that is increase. So 2 plus 2, 4 in the July. August, 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6. September,
6.
like that. So why company is not given this type of holiday? Anyone can give in a scenario?
As per Labor Act, sir.
No, labor act no. Yes, maybe some part of the labor act also there. See, suppose you are joining my company Dabur. Okay. So what happened, Ravi? Okay. Suppose you have not taken any holiday till 1 year. So at the end of the year, how many holiday you have been leave? How many holiday?
24, sir.
Perfect. And you saying, sir, this is my last chance because this month my overlaps 24 holiday. So this month I can take 24 holiday. As a HR person, definitely I can approve because it's your right to take all the holiday in a month. So what
Yes,
happens?
sir.
Suppose you are taking 24 days. That means around 1 month. So what happened? Suppose you join a company through the TCS. Okay, and the client is Dabur. So what happened? The Dabur company already having some lots of issue. 1 or 2 days that company may be having no issue. But 1 month you understand now what is scenarios there. So that's why company never give you the holiday in the like monthly like yearly basis. Only it's given monthly basis. That is 2 holiday. Okay, that is if you are applied, that is fine. If you are not applied, so that is overlap. Have you understand the concept? Because suppose you having the 24 holiday in a year and every month you have not any having holiday. So what can you do in the end of the month you can apply 24 holiday. So that is big issue for whom? Your company and client. So that's why company never give holiday yearly basis. It's given on the monthly basis, like 1 or 2 casually, whatever the scenario. So have you understand the concept, guys? The no
Yes,
generation.
sir. But only PL carry on next financial year, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Paid
Only
leave.
see some 90 of the company also never give the PL, but some company also giving the over to the next year for the adding. But some of company never giving any holiday for the next year, for the adding. Most of company
Okay.
given, most of company given. It's depending on company. Okay. But yes, whatever
Okay.
you're saying, PL holiday given to the next year, but casual sick leave that is only you having the monthly wise. Okay.
Okay.
So till now, any concern from anyone, guys?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So see the calculating part we are doing. Okay, automatic accurate, automatic accurate. Okay, permit generation of time embarrassing. Permit generation of time embarrassing. Where is that part? Yes. So what is our code? That is employee grouping 2, that is PS grouping 40. And what is our absence quota type? 53, na? I think I have maintained.
54, sir.
Yeah, 50. Very good,
Yeah.
54. So we just see. So this is our scenario for the casual leave, which type of employee? Double company. So in our scenario, we have not taking any increase. That means whatever we are giving holiday, that is not adding to the next month or not increase. That is fixed for a month. That is no generation. Okay, whatever I am giving the a holiday, that is true in the fixed. Whatever if you are taking, that is also fine. Otherwise, that is overlap. So this is a condition of the no generation. Suppose I am adding that. Okay, whatever you are taking holiday, if you have not taken that in that month, So you just adding to the next month or increase to the next month. So that's a scenario of increase. But most of the company, they never doing this part. They only given the fixed, that is not generation. So till now, any confusion from anyone, guys?
No, sir. It's clear.
Bhagyasri, Sesu,
Yes, sir.
till now, any concern?
No, sir. Understood.
Very good. So now going for the next step. Okay. So now we are going for the next step, that is known as chemo features. So chemo features also we have activated, that is time status, that is 01. Okay. What do you mean by chemo? Chemo is nothing, it's the one type of quota type selection. So whatever you are doing now, quota type, that is standard 01. Okay. Let's do the rule for generating absence quota. So rules for generating absence quota. Can you see that step? Rules for generating. Yes. Okay. So in this step, specify rule group of quota types. Yes, and specify rule group. Yes, this one. Okay. So chemo feature. This is also one type of features. You know, na features how to maintain. Just maintain. So what is your personal sub area? I think white field, na? Yes, white field. W I.
White field, sir.
White field. Okay. So white field, we are taking the code that is WHIT, that is white field personal surveyor. WHIT. Okay. So now we giving the final configuration. Okay. So we are giving the return value. So what is our return value? That is 01, that is for the standard. Okay. So we can taking the 01 standard, that is for the quota type selection. Okay. So that is we have taken for the 01, that is for the quota type selection. Have you understand the concept why we are taking the 01? That is for the standard configuration. Okay, because quota type selection only take as the 01 from standard. Till now, so till
No,
now,
sir.
okay, just a minute, someone calling. Hello. Okay. Okay. There is some issue. Okay, that is not for India. This is for New Zealand. Yes, thank you so much, Sesu. Sesu is guide me, call me right now. That's this is not our part. So we are going for the which country? India. Okay. So we have. So just we have started. Okay. So going for the new entries. So what is our company code? So according to our company code, we have taken the DABH. Okay. DABH. Company code. Then we are going for the which part? Personal area. So what is the personal area? That is DABB. Okay. Enough. That is enough. There is a personal survey, I guess. The personal survey is also wide field. So we delete. WHIT. Okay. Then okay, so this part is not taken. So DABB. So we just giving the final step.
Hello,
Okay. So
sir.
yes, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me. Till now, any doubt? Yes, Ravinder, tell me. Yes, tell me. I am hearing you. Ravinder, can you hear me? Ravinder, can you hear me? Please ask me your doubt. Sir, it was a good. Okay, sorry. This is my point. See, nothing. So first we are doing for the BUKRA, that is our company for DABH, and personal area DABB. Then we give the final configuration. So what is your final configuration? Who can tell me? That is 01. Okay. That is check and activate. So till now any issue? We just activate the chemo features. So chemo feature is used for the which part? For the quota. Okay. So thank you so much, Sesu. That person is guiding me that I am going for the New Zealand, but the fact is this is configuration for India. Okay, till now any issue?
No, sir.
Yes.
No, sir.
Oh. So what do you mean by set base entitlement? See, base entitlement means it's nothing. In a calendar year, how many days you are giving the holiday? So maybe in casual leave, it's always taking us 12, sick leave 12, so total 24. You know, na, the leave policy. So that is not fixed. From my company, it's maybe 12 casual leave, a monthly one. But some other company, they're giving the casual leave to 24, a monthly two. TCS, Infosys, they are giving 2 days, na, in a month. So every company having the, different term and conditional policy. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So as per our scenario, we can take only for the standard that is 12. 12 means in a yearly basis 12, monthly how many days? 1. Okay. So see how the configuration is going on. So ES grouping to 40 means which type of country? India. Okay. And PS grouping for time recording, that is standard 01. And absence quota, it should be 23 because we have taken 54 na casual leave. Rabi? 53?
54,
Yeah.
sir. 54, sir.
And the base entitlement, we can take our own code, so 503. So entitlement, how many days we can take the holiday in a year? 12 days. Is to one type of calendar year. Just see. So understand the concept of the base entitlement.
Yes, sir.
Nothing, we just decide how many days take holiday in a year. So sometimes some company take yearly basis 12, some company take 24, whatever the company take. Set base entitlement. Let's see set base entitlement. Going for the new entries. So employee grouping take us to, that is for the salary employee 40. PS grouping for time recording, which is 01 standard. And there should be also 1191, and that is standard. Absence quota, I think 54 na, Ravindra? Yes, 54,
4,
that
sir.
is schedule.
54.
Yeah, very good. So 54. So what is the base entitlement? 504. Any code you can take. I am also maintaining in Excel sheet. Base. What is that name? Base entitlement 504. Base entitlement, that is 504. Okay. So entitlement, that is 12 days. So how many can? I'm taking 12. Some company may be taking 24, whatever, but standard 12. Okay. So this is which type of holiday? It's only calendar year basis. Means January to December, you having the 12. So how many in a year? 12 monthly, that is 1 schedule. So till now, any confused you have been, till now, any doubt you have been facing? Please ask me.
January to December or April to March, sir?
See, calendar year always depending upon the financial year, okay? So calendar year is separate thing, financial year is separate thing. So if you are asking about a calendar year, see the leave policy is not defining upon the financial year. It's depending upon the calendar year, okay?
Okay, sir.
So that's why it's taking as a calendar. Otherwise, there is other option is there like financial year. So there is nothing this type of option for the financial year. So we can take calendar year that is starting from January to December. So 1st of January to December 31st. Okay. Till now,
Okay.
any concern? Anyone
No, sir.
having any concern? Please ask me. Well, okay. So now we are going for the determine the validity and deduction period. Okay. Let's go for the validity and deduction period. Deduction. Validity and deduction period. This one determine the deduction period. So we are now going for the new entries. See, the concept is very easy. So ESG grouping, that is to PSG, that is personal area sub grouping for India 40. So what is your absence quota type? I think 54 na?
54.
Very good. 54. See, this is most important part. Okay. What is the important part? The important part is when you should taking this type of holiday from which day to which day. So this is a known as calendar year starting to calendar year end. Start of the calendar year, that is 1st of the January, end of the calendar year. Who can tell me? That is 31st December of the year. So this is the type of holiday you can start at first day, that is start day of the calendar and end day of the calendar. Till now, any confusion? This is a
No, sir.
concept. Okay. So how you are starting from the detection? Same. Start the end of the interval and end of the validity interval. That means start of the validity interval means January 1st. Okay, and end of the validity interval means 31st December. So this is a concept. You can also see in a PDF also same concept are there. So it's a starting of the calendar year, that is 1st of January to 31st of the December. The deduction also same concept, start of the validity of interval, end of the validity of interval. So till now, any doubt you have been facing? Please ask me.
No, sir.
Sesu, Bhagyasri and Sheikh, Ali Sheikh, any doubt you
No,
have been
sir.
facing? See, this is the concept, okay? Only you have to understand the concept, nothing a big deal, okay? If you have practiced every day, na, you are also expert, okay? So don't worry about this part. So, okay, let's going for the second part. So the defined generation rule for quota type selection. Okay, the same concept. Okay, so we are doing for the employee grouping quota type, that is 2, that is like permanent or salary employee. So 40 means India. So PSG time miscellaneous time recording, that is 01 standard start date end date. So what is our quota type selection group? That is quota type we always take a 01, that is standard. So selection rule we can take our own code. Okay, and absence quota, that is 56 whatever. So starting from the category. Let's see. Define generation rules for quota type selection. Define generation rule for quota type selection. Yes, this one. Okay. New entries. So we can take which type of employee? This is permanent. So 2. 40 means India. So PS grouping time recording, that is standard 01. Okay. And we can take start date and end date. So what is our quota type selection? Quota type selection always taking our 01, that is standard. Okay. So selection rule, we can take selection rule the same 504. Selection. Okay. So we can take also same whatever we are giving the base entertainment 504 and also selection rule 504. So this is the for casual leave for which employee? Double.
Double employee.
Yes, this is double. So this is most important question. So whatever you are doing now, absence quota type that is 54. So this is which type of holiday? It's maybe monthly basis, daily basis, or yearly basis. Who can tell me? Whatever you are taking holiday, okay, that is monthly basis or yearly basis, calendar year.
Monthly basis.
No, everything is calendar basis. Okay. So whenever you take holiday, that is converted automatically monthly wise. But we can take yearly
Calendar
basis.
wise.
Yes, calendar year. Then that is automatically converted monthly one if you're taking 12. If you have been taking 24, so it's converted into monthly two. So that is a separate thing, but the fact is that whatever you are doing configuration, that is quota generation for not monthly wise. It is generation for whole year wise. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Suppose you join a company now, they are never generate a quota for the monthly basis. They are already generate a quota for the which type of yearly basis. Okay. And, so have you understand the concept, guys?
Yes, sir.
Still not any confusion from your side? Any doubt?
There is no road, sir.
Okay. So go to the practical. Let's see. Okay. Hmm. Okay. So we are going for the calendar year. So who can tell me the base entitlement code? Who can tell me the base entitlement code? This one.
504, sir.
Perfect.
Yes.
See, whenever I am typing now 504, it's automatically reflected. That 12 days in a year. Am I right? Have you seen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
This is in a which type of unit? It's a process for yearly basis. Okay. So till now, any confusion from everyone's side?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So now going for the validity period for default value. Okay. So this one, validity period for default value. Going for the new entries. So what is our ES grouping? That is true. What is our PS grouping? That is 40 for India. Quota type selection is already standard 01. The same concept. Okay. So when we take the holiday, start of the calendar year, end of the calendar year, same concept. Start of the calendar year, saved. So this process is already done by the others candidates. So can be done with it. This is already done by the others candidates. So till now, anyone having any issue, please ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. So now going for the next step. Okay. Time evaluation setting. See, in a time evaluation setting, the most important part, whenever you are doing a personal area configuration part, so that is always take as PS grouping 40 because India. But in case of the time evaluation, okay, this is the part of the SAP standard. So we can take as standard 01. Okay, but every time you take as 40 na personal sub area that is for the India, that is Hyderabad 40. But in that scenario, time evaluation setting is taken as always standard, that is 01. Okay, any concern?
No, sir.
Sector personal survey for time recording. So what is our code? DA DP. So we can take as standard, that is SAP standard 01. Okay, then save it. Till now, any confusion from anyone or any doubt from?
Oh, no, sir.
So now going for the so group employees are grouping for personal calculation rule. So whatever we are doing now, that is PCR. What do you mean by PCR? See, PCR means, so there are three type of data. Okay, one is schema, PCR. Anyone? What do you mean by PCR? Anyone, any knowledge? PCR schema. Okay, so first we are going for the schema. Schema T code is PE01. So what do you mean by schema? See, schema is one type of programming part, okay? That is using for the calculation part in the which module? Payroll and time management. So whatever you are doing now, payroll process or time management process, so there is some backend activity there. So that is known as schema. So in Indian payroll, there is schema name is IH00, okay? That is Indian payroll schema. So like IN04, that is time management schema. Oh, sorry, TM04. TM04, that is time management schema. Yeah, time evaluation or time management schema, whatever. It's related to the schema. So this is a part of the PE01. So what is the part of the PE02? See, PE02 is known as PCR, personal calculation rule. Whatever you are doing in a schema, na, that is backend activity done in a PCR. Okay. So PCR, you can take as IN00. So this is known as PCR. So PCR also you can see like what is the, how the changes of the backend process. And what is the PE04? That is no features. And another part is PE04. That is a part of the function and maintaining. PE04. So sometime they ask the question, what do you mean by PCI and schema? I am again explaining you schema is nothing, it's a one type of programming. So that programming is held at the part of the payroll processing and time management processing. Okay. And what is the PCI? The backend activities of the schema. Okay. Or whatever you are doing in a schema, na, that is something, backend activities done. That is known as PCI. So whenever there is any changes, so you have to write schema and PCI. Okay. Suppose you know na programming C++, Java, DBMS. Suppose someone saying no, this screen is not good for me because I am changes the screen. So how you just changing the screen? By the help of the programming. You just give some instruction of that programming, then the output is different. Am I right? So PCI schema is same part. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Till now, any doubts? So we are given the permission PCR, that is 3 means permission. Okay. So there is an option for the PCR schema. Save it. Okay. So this is another group employee subgrouping for personal calculation. This one. It is PCR. So what is our grouping? Employee grouping, that is X and Q. So X and Q. Yes, so we have already given the permission. So we have been completed the 2006 configuration. So till now, anyone having anything doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So the
No, sir.
first question, yeah. So first question is, what is the time evaluation quota? So what is the how to generate the quota? Whenever you are going for the generate the quota, the T code is PT underscore QTA00. This interview question. Every time everyone asks, can you tell me the T code of the quota generation? That is PT underscore QTA00. Please take the screenshot or note down. This is most important interview question. how you are going to generate the quota? That is PT underscore PT.
Done.
Yes. So PT underscore QTA00. This is how to generate a quota. So the date is same, start of the calendar year, end of the calendar year. So personal number, I think my personal number is Allu Arjun, that is 9006. Okay, quota. So who can tell me that quota type? That is, I am 54, na? Ravindra? Quota? Yes, 54. Absence quota type.
54.
So I am now moving for the test run, okay, and display the all new quota. If you have any doubt, you also see the PDF also. This is the other period 01/01/2023 to 01/2023 December 31st. Personal number, whatever you having, and the quota type, that is nothing, absence quota type. Then test run, display all new quota, and execute. Okay. So now going for the execute. Generation of what happened? Generation absence quota. Okay, there is some issue, I think. So 9006, what happened? There is some issue, I think, so I don't know
I
what.
think we have the old database, gone. So we created a new one, right? So I think we have not created the employee.
Maybe just a minute, I think
Yeah.
there is issue. Yes, that person having 1.007. No, 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 there is some issue, guys. What is our Allu Arjun now? We are hiring that person.
Yes, yes, alone.
What happened that person? There is something wrong with it. Can I do? Which server? I think I have doing the configuration for the other server. Okay. So that's where some issues, right? This is which server? Okay. Oh, what? No, there is something missing from the server side. Okay. So I can. There is some issue with server, guys. Someone I think deleted the Alu Azul, so I can again doing the configuration. Okay, so tomorrow. Just a minute. Okay. So I think I am creating the, your the configuration in this server, Alu Azul. Let's see what happened. 006 absence quota. See, guys, there is some issue. Who can tell me? See, I have the two server, okay? So I am creating the, your configuration for the other server, that is time management, and the leave management I am doing in the other servers. So don't worry, I can resolve that issue by the tomorrow, okay? So tomorrow you can see how to generate the absence quota, okay? Fine? Is it fine for everyone?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So tomorrow we just started. We completed 2006. Okay, that is absent quota. Just started tomorrow also 2001 absence configuration. So till now, anyone having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so tomorrow please join by 8 to 9. Okay.
Okay.
So see, video maybe I can send you today or tomorrow. Uh, okay, let's see what happened. But I am trying to today or tomorrow. Yes. So till now, any concern?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So tomorrow join 8 p.m. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Good night, sir.
Yeah, good night.
Good night, guys.
Can we say good night? Good night.